Here's the exact way to add image in Roblox Studio. So first of all, open your game or experience in your Roblox Studio. Now make sure you have activated Explorer section. So you can select Home tab and here you will find Explorer. So make sure it's activated. Now right click anywhere, click on Insert Part, and here we can see the part has been added. Once the part added, you can just click on the part and click on Scale, and then you'll be able to make the part perfect for your needs, just like this. In this Explorer, here you will find your selected part, so you can select the select tool. Now select the part, and here click this plus icon next to the part and add here decal. Now just select on the side in which side you want to add your image. So I'm selecting this part. Now go to your preferred browser and just click on create, click on creations and select development items, select decals. In here click on upload asset, click on upload, and now from your computer upload the image, which image you want to add to your Roblox Studio. You can just rename the image from here and finally click on upload. Once your image uploaded, here click this three dot and copy the image asset ID. Now go back to your Roblox Studio. Now under properties, here click on this color map content and paste here your image asset ID in this URL field, then press enter, and then here we can see the image has been successfully added to this part.